Okay, here we are at home. Tracy's washing dishes.
Tracy's washing the table. Ron's going to make an apple pie.
Ooh.
Wow.
This would be like Julia Child program.
You got enough apples, Rita?
Yeah.
I thought we only bought 3 apples. You're going to make that thing.
I got good size apples, enough to make a regular apple pie.
Okay, say something, Uncle.
How you doing, Fred? What do you think of Florida?
He gets speechless, Fred, when he's on camera.
Hey, that's a good one. Stay there. Stay right there. No, you're over by there. That's perfect. There you go.
You talk to yourself all the time you're doing it?
Okay, you're recording now.
Okay.
Here you go. I'll take a close-up pan of the pie. Wow, now that is one home-baked apple pie.
That's for sure.
All right. Oh, is that Mom's apple pie or what?
There's anything in there. Oh,
Recording now.
was it in one of the
Yeah, what? Forget it.
big stores? Maybe it was
I didn't
Epic.
even look. I just saw $17.95 for Batman video, and I didn't pay no attention.
Was it in today's paper?
I thought it was in last night.
This is great.
Okay, Fred. This will be.
What do you have to do to make the dough?
Oh, I already gave Tracy all the instructions,
Oh yeah?
so she shouldn't have any trouble making pies.
Is it easy?
Very easy.
You know how? Very, very easy.
Very easy.
Yeah, that's right. I looked through. Oh, you looked through them too. I may have missed it too. It's knowing me, I'll go right by it.
It sounds like it might be one of the, you know, like Eckerd's or someplace like this special to get you in there. Okay. Cinnamon.
It's just sliced apples?
And, yeah, sliced apples and nutmeg. And sugar. Dash of salt. Water to seal the crust.
Wow, look at that. Hey, that's neat. And where you put a glaze on it?
Yeah, I get it in the pan, so it's too sloppy.
What do you think, Sue? You think she's done this before?
Never mind how many times, how many years, Fred. But it's my favorite pastime.
Baking or
I
cooking?
could make pies for hours on end. Extra big, so I gotta be careful how you handle it.
Okay, now we get a picture of that dude, huh?
This egg puts a nice shine all over it.
It's just a beaten egg?
Yeah, it's a beaten egg. That's it.
Okay, let's see it. No, oh.
Pop it in the oven.
Wait a second, I want to get a close-up of this guy here.
Get a close up.
There we go, look at that, beautiful.
Okay.
Okay. There it goes in the oven.